public health experts say long-distance travel is still risky. This morning, Asher Qureshi takes a look at when you might be able to fly again without having to worry.
At the beginning of the outbreak, air travel nearly came to a standstill. But major holidays like spring break and Thanksgiving saw spikes in travel and increased COVID spread.
I absolutely think that travel is safer now than it was before. If you're vaccinated, travel is definitely safer for you, but it may not be safer for those around you.
But with millions already fully vaccinated and positivity rates generally on the decline, some may be planning a much-needed getaway.
Air travel, car travel, whatever, whenever you are outside of your normal routines, outside of the usual ways that you protect yourself from getting sick, there's risk.
But people are traveling. According to TSA, it screened nearly 1.3 million people at airports on Sunday. And in the last week, nearly 7.5 million people have flown.
If you've been vaccinated and now you feel like I've been vaccinated, I want to go travel. First of all, I completely agree with you. I feel the same way, but it's still not really appropriate to do that unless it's essential travel.
While the CDC has provided guidance for essential travel, it still warns that travel increases your chance of getting and spreading COVID-19. CDC recommends that you do not travel at this time. Still, if you do travel, infectious disease experts advise taking specific precautions.
So I still recommend that anybody who's traveling on an airplane needs to wear a very well-fitting mask and eye protection, including one of those face shields that goes over your mask, or maybe even some sort of like safety glasses, or even regular glasses can help protect you.
There is anticipation of a major increase in domestic travel this summer as vaccine distribution expands and restrictions are eased. But it could be years before we see travel return to pre-pandemic normal.
Yeah, it's hard to know. I mean, if we continue our current rate of vaccination, we could ostensibly, it's possible to reach those levels later in the year.
But for travelers who are hoping for the coronavirus risk to hit zero before they board, it'll be a long wait.
While all of these strategies, vaccinations, all the other public health measures are designed to bring the risk down as low as possible, it's not going to be zero.
I'm Asher Qureshi reporting.